Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be packing with me / cleaning to go home for Thanksgiving break. I don't know if I've already mentioned this yet on my channel, but I will be returning after Thanksgiving break because I work here. So I'm only going home for like 5-ish days if you count half of Wednesday and half of Sunday. So I'm gonna start packing. My room is a mess, but it's okay. I'm gonna show you guys a quick overview and then we're gonna get to it because I already swept yesterday and like I wiped down a few things as well. I genuinely just have to put my clothes in a suitcase and take out the trash and wash the dishes. So let's do a quick overview for you guys. So my desk, the trash, you can see it's piling. My bed isn't me. I have like dishes to wash. I just have this to wipe down, maybe wipe down the inside of my microwave, and then I just need to pack clothes from my closet. But yeah, so we're gonna get started. I literally have the TV queued up with music to listen to as well because I can't do this without music. I need the motivation, you know. So I'm gonna pack up the trash and put it over by my dishes so that when I go wash my dishes I take the trash, and then I'm gonna pack my suitcase first because I feel like I could do that really fast. If you guys have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love, and I would love if you guys would subscribe down below and join the fam. You're super chill and fun over here, and I would love if we could reach 1K subscribers by the end of the year. So go ahead and join and click that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, vlog, so I am finished packing and cleaning. Honestly, it was super quick. I just need to go wash my dishes, and then after that I'll be ready to get in the shower, and I will probably finish the rest of my packing tomorrow because I can't take home any of my toiletries yet because I still need them in the morning, and my skincare and stuff like that. Also my technology and things like that I'll probably all pack tomorrow because I'm gonna be using everything tonight still. So I'm just gonna wash the dishes, and then I'm gonna shower and do my skincare, and then for the rest of the night it's gonna be homework. But that will probably be a separate vlog of me doing my homework and trying to get all of my assignments done before I leave for break, because I have a research paper to write, I got a final paper to write. That's not the research paper, different final paper. I have other discussion posts I need to finish, projects, all of the above. So I'm going to try and get as much of that done as I can, and then we'll be on our way. So I'm halfway washing my dishes, halfway through, and I'm just now realizing I didn't bring my sponge or my soap. And I've already rinsed everything off, and now is the time where I would start scrubbing my plates, and I don't have it. So we have to retreat back to the room. Alright, excuse the messy hair. I'm actually taking it out tomorrow morning. I went home in October, like say October 25th-ish, and I braided these little single braids, and I haven't taken them out since, and it's definitely been a full month at this point. So they're coming out tomorrow, so that I can do my hair nice for Thanksgiving, whatever. But I just wanted to say that I finished my goals for the night. I cleaned, I packed, I swept a little bit more today because just had to clean a few things off. But I'm going to just continue the rest of this vlog tomorrow morning because there will be a lot more going on. And the rest of the stuff I'm doing tonight, like I said already, is going to be in a different vlog. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. So once again, I forgot to end this vlog. I'm already back on campus by now, and I had a great Thanksgiving break. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving with your families as well. And I am back to work, so I will be on campus from all of December and January, and the next time I'm going home is for the holidays. So I will be returning back home on Christmas Eve, but for now I'm here to finish out the rest of my semester and to work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, letting me know that you liked it. Also, if you have not already, make sure to leave me a comment down below, and also please make sure to subscribe and join the fam. We would love to have you guys here. But that is it for me, and hopefully you guys stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.